Alrighty, good morning. We are at Comox Lake, as you can see, and DeConey and I bought this big kayak. So it is a K2 Feathercraft collapsible skin kayak, and yeah, it's about 19 feet long, has a skin and an aluminum metal frame, and yeah, supposedly it's a very popular kayak for expeditions. So yeah, I'll take you inside for a bit, and maybe you can see what some of this frame looks like. So it packs into 2 duffel bags and is very small. It's essentially a skin kayak. So we're going to pack up, and I'll take you guys along and show you everything cool that we see. Yeah, it was pretty neat camping here last night because you know, we didn't get this thing set up until about 11 o'clock when we started paddling, and there are a whole bunch of bats all over the place here. So and oh my goodness, the stars were so amazing. But yeah, we're gonna pack this all up and hit the road and make some breakfast. It's coming along. So because this thing is a skin on an aluminum frame, there's these bars that go in here and sort of block this, so it's a bit of a pain to access the hatches, but I don't know, supposedly it's a very sturdy kayak. We only paddled it last night. Okay, this is the entry process. We'll get let's shift the nose into the water a bit. Okay, now you get in and I'll hold it. Okay. Okay, now for my entry. Okay, so we've made it onto the lake and we are kayaking. Woo! 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 Alrighty, we're making it here for breakfast. Been paddling 42 minutes. Land ho! Okay, so we made it to the breakfast spot, and the kayak's doing great so far. We blew up some of the gunnel rails, which I think is something we forgot. So we got stove, we got our sidekicks, and we got our mashed potatoes, and a bottle of water, a pack of wieners, and a pot. And I'm going to show you guys the best meal you can have while adventuring for under $15. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a pack of sausages, cut them up. Nothing fancy. Just you cut up your sausages. Okay, you can stop filming. Okay, once you got your sausages all cut up, then you add your 2 packets of sidekicks. And then to conserve the water you're going to need, okay, now once you've got your sidekicks added, then you add the water that you need. Okay, that's going to be the rest of this thing. Okay, so now, easiest part, you just set it and forget it. Okay, on the pot we go, and let's boil that up, and then we'll get on to the next step. Okay, we've started boiling. Alrighty, well, let's try this. That's almost ready.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're ready for the next step, and that is the mashed potatoes. So what we do is we turn the heat off the stove. We open the box of mashed potatoes, and we slowly add as we stir. And this absorbs all the extra waters. And I guarantee this will be the yummiest, cheapest meal you've ever had on an adventure. But then you just let it sit for a couple minutes. Alrighty, there we go, finished product. Alrighty, taste test. Good stuff? Alrighty, there you have it. Okay, lunch is over. Back to paddling. We're about ready to get back to it. Alrighty. Well, here we are paddling around Comox Lake. Beautiful day for it. Up on the hill we have lodgepole pine, arbutus, some manzanita, and some Douglas fir towards the top there. Beautiful. Alrighty, back to paddling. Okay, so we're gonna do a bit of swimming at that beach over there. Holy smokes. Beautiful day though. Probably about 30 degrees out here on the lake, and we're just paddling along. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can maneuver us in all nice here. Okay. Oh, we're coming in.
Oh, got it?
Oh. Oh, a little bit more. A little bit more. And we made it. Look at that. This is gonna be our little beach.
Wow. It's a nice beach.
So we got some tiny baby birds here. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're just simply tiny. So I don't think we'll actually be hanging out here. I think we're gonna have to move along because Mom is not too happy with us. Well, we're continuing to find a swimming hole. Okay, I think we found our spot. Alrighty, so land ahoy. There's Deconey over there, and looks like there's a sign. Camp Swimmer. Established. What is that? 2020? Lovely. Wow. Alrighty, well, we've had our swim and we're about ready to start heading back. Here we are, packing up the last of it and to head back over there. Funny enough, we had a bad wind paddling out and now we're having a bad wind paddling in. So, I guess it's just the way the wind works in this here valley. Yeah. Getting ready. Okay, we're making it. Slowly but surely. Getting there. Yep, we're just taking everything apart now. Alrighty, almost all packed up.